get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember?
Okay. Hi guys. So I just wanted to show you that when the weather is not being a hot mess. When the weather's not being a hot mess, Saskatchewan is beautiful. It's beautiful. I really wish I could show you but Lord, I mean, I like that something here. The flip them, I'm looking like a proper granny. Anyway, nice weather is a coming. It's still cold, I know, but this bearable. Wind. We're headed to the supermarket. Hey. On this here afternoon. I don't know what to record for. No, there's nothing to see. Hey.
What?
So guys, we're doing our weekly shopping. So I did bring my earphones, but I didn't. But now that my family is here, we have to do shopping once a week. So that's what we're doing. Nah, them bag here too big. You're not gonna eat no raspberry. Well, you got. One time Nana brought it and you liked it. Them here look like them soon spoil, huh? This looks like fun. That looks good. See this mango here? Look how them mango here white. Them not really mango like the mango what we know. Yeah, to keep it cold and fresh. But we've got some pineapples. Packaged on April 30. Also packaged. Oh, these are packaged today. Let me see. Oh, so pineapple that went back packaged today. Let's get some of those. is a little thing of baby carrots. On my little leg.
Salad?
No.
Mommy salad.
Sure you would.
Mommy, turn your face around on the broccoli, please.
Are you gonna eat the broccoli?
Yes, I am now.
I like how you're big and brave and all these things.
Hmm?
This is a lot.
What did you say, Mommy?
Must say I like how you're big bad and brave. Talking about you gonna eat broccoli.
I'm going to eat it. Promise.
It's okay.
Mommy, can we get the broccoli, please?
No.
Why?
Sorry.
Tomato. Tomato? Mommy, tomato?
No, put it back.
Mm. I'm gonna eat this.
Go and put it in the You're not bad. Two little piece of wingy ginger. Nice big bag of potato. Alright. So I'm getting muffins because Dave buys muffins for Tibbs. And then I'm not allowed to eat any, so.
Mommy, Daddy said no, that I can't get brownies, and Daddy said no to get whatever these things.
Okay. So this is our little shopping cart because seeing as how I forgot and abandoned halfway through the shopping. Done. Yeah. It's nice. See how nice it is? The weather is so nice.
Why is it
It's a little chilly. It's getting to be a little chilly. I think it's like 16. The wind is not bad. Hasn't been bad. Tomorrow, Wednesday's supposed to be big hot summer weather. So Saskatchewan basically just skips right. And that's but like, here you go. Have summer. And the husband.
It's falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
Can I take you there? Can I take you Can I take you there?
I'll take you